In our industry, digital channels are becoming the key interface how customers are interacting with us. If we provide a great customer experience through web or mobile, we can truly differentiate ourselves and build up a sustainable competitive advantage. In Etisalat, we have recognized this opportunity, and as the first player in emerging markets, we have launched a dramatically improved and unified online experience across our top 5 markets. In November 2013, we launched the Project One. At the time, our websites were not really competitive. They were built mostly from the internal perspective, so what really is important for us and not what is important for the customer. And we were committed to change this. Each country has nominated 2 experts who became the founding core team members of the Project One. Over the next 8 months, this team has worked together on defining what's the common objective of online interfaces, and then also coming back to the respective countries and implementing it. A lot of this involved a joint work in Etisalat Academy, and these co-located sessions, they became one of the key success factors of this project. By today, all countries participating in the Project One have launched improved portals, following principles and objectives we agreed on. Today, we made a big leap forward to become a leader in online experience. And as the result of the Project One team work, here are the new websites.